Hey guys, I'm going to take you someplace today that I haven't been, and I've been in Budapest a very long time. I always knew about it, but I just never got up here, and it's called the Philosopher's Garden, and it's kind of a really cool spot. I just did a little pre-walk around, so the bus just drops you off over there, or behind me. You can take the 27 bus, or you can walk up, but I'm going to shut up now and just take you for a walk around this cool little park. Here we go. I already got a guy doing Tai Chi over there. The sign says no dogs, but I don't think people listen. Technically, I've heard that you don't have to wear a mask in a nature area, and this is kind of a nature area. There's a big garden here to the left. We got a guy flying a kite. You can still fly a kite. You can't fly a drone in Hungary unless it's less than 125 grams, because they made a law, and now you can't fly drones in Hungary anymore. It's a big fine, like a lot of money, like 250,000 euros or something stupid. So I prefer not to fly my drone right now. There you can see the castle off in the distance. So you get a nice view from up here. Just a little quick walk, but figured I'd take you guys with me today. Don't lose your kite into the bushes, buddy. Yeah. It's like a tiny version of Mauer Park in Berlin with a better view. It is the 2nd of March, and we've had some very nice weather the past week or so. So it's a very cool bronze map of Budapest. It's springtime, so it's a bit muddy still. Hey, I'm a dog. Hey, I'm a dog too. Nice to see you. Good spot to read the newspaper. And here's the Philosopher's Garden. Normally there's a fountain, but it will be on in the summertime. It's Abraham, St. Francis of Assisi, Bodhidharma, Gandhi. He's gonna poop off his head. Got Buddha. Jesus. Ganeshan. Back to Abraham. What did I miss over there? Lauchi. But you have a beautiful view of the castle. That's just a quick bite, guys. So I'm gonna go sit myself in the sun. Let's leave you with a nice view. Thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe. Later.